What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. I know I said I wasn't going to take a trade today, but I got my one XFA that I didn't get with my five. They finally sent it through today, and I figured I was going to take it as a little bit more of a riskier account, and that's what we did today. We took one trade, got home from work, saw the price action was looking pretty decent. Higher time frame, we're looking like we want to take out these highs. Absolutely demolishing this 4 hour gap. Let's see if it closes. Um, Absolutely demolished this gap so far. I don't really see us coming back down, see us inversing it. Um, Once again, just a lot of highs that we want to take out on the higher time frame, which is a great thing. That means we're going to be bullish. I would like us to come rebalance this range at some point. I mean, not necessarily right now, but I would like us to rebalance it. So let's get into the trade that we took. Have it both on ES and NQ. Didn't take the ES trade, took the NQ trade. Yeah, so what I was seeing was a nice 5 minute gap on both ES and NQ. At the time, the candles that we had were just right up to here. We were up here. We didn't have any of these candles here. So I saw this 5 minute gap here. Boom, boom, 5 minute gap here. Scale down to the 1 minute time frame, scale down to the 1 minute time frame, and I was pretty much just waiting for a pullback into the zone. Stops right below this low. And what did we get? We actually came back in. I entered a little bit early here. Probably should have waited for confirmation back to the upside, but you live and you learn. It is what it is. Um, and yeah, I managed this trade really poorly. I'm not happy about that. Could have been up 2K instead of $400, but that's why we're an unprofitable trader. We're working on it. We're working on it. So, boom, we entered the trade here right off this candle. And then our initial take profit was up here. We would have edged our take profit right here, so I guess I probably would have manually taken profit once we started seeing some candles down. Um, yeah, I even changed my take profit to here at one point, and that would have been up like 1.2. But I saw that ES took these highs here at this break-even point. NQ at the time did not, and we started getting these bearish candles down. They looked pretty strong. I panicked and I sold. 409. So trade really looked like, where did we get out? I honestly don't know where we got out. Horrible, horrible, horrible risk to reward. Let me tell you. But if we would have held, we would have hit our initial trade, which is really unfortunate. But we'll get them next time. I wasn't even supposed to take a trade today, so it's good that we got our first profitable day on this account. I'll take that. That's a W in my books. Um, yeah, I mean, so the real trade should have actually looked like this, but let's not talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about that. Yeah, so would have been up 2K, made $409 today. I'm happy with it. I'll take it. We'll come back next week, all five accounts, and hopefully we work towards a payout. That is the goal. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in the next video, and peace.